First round draft.
Hexa.
Ghost Rider. Yeah. Christina Aquafina called me, told me what I made her. Congo drop some coke and rum, I know just how to feed her. Running and gunning, I'm all about money, no cap, we're strong like onions. Here's to the top of my business, and I'm telling them bitches none you. Sign me to your label, blow it up like a grenade. Just let me beat the beat, I don't need no commentators. Been a long time coming by now, and I'm waiting. Should've asked somebody, I done ran out of patience. Yeah. Multi-platinum while I'm rapping, I got my shoes tapping. I tried to show you niggas, but you thought that I was acting. Time you haters try to disrespect, no take backs, no retreating. Chestnut checkers wrong move one less, now I'm watching the game as it deepens. Stack my money taller than my new bowl, I can't reach it. What the fuck would all what become if they impeach it? I'm picking roses full of petals, then put the pedal to the metal. I'm taking it to another level. I got groundhogs, don't need a shovel. Yeah, I'm peachy keen, I'm drooling for my dreams. I'm a king and I would never switch my team. I die alone until then I stay in the lead. I blown hybrid, call me Nino, feed the fiends. They killing our dreams in real life, not make believe. Post my cut, I lay low, hit licks, goals achieve. I seek to fulfill all her insecurities. Completely demonstrates it called security. Sitting with a pack, she went after the race, play ball with Jax. Icy is my wifey, we just play with stacks. Playing on fumble, ready to rumble, I am humble. She says she loves a real nigga, try to give me a number. Just give me my respect, I am the champ. I keep my playbook lit up like a lamp. Poetic justice breed.